Welcome back to Cozy Space Living, where we explore beautiful interiors that inspire comfort, sophistication, and everyday luxury. Today, we're stepping inside a stunning transitional apartment that perfectly balances classic elegance with modern simplicity, creating a home that feels both timeless and refreshingly current. Transitional design is all about harmony. It brings together the warmth and character of traditional interiors with the clean lines and functionality of contemporary design. The result is a space that feels inviting, refined, and effortlessly stylish. Before we begin our tour, make sure to subscribe to Cozy Space Living. Give this video a like and share your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear which design elements inspire you the most. As we enter the apartment, we're greeted by an open concept living area filled with natural light. Large windows frame the space, allowing sunlight to highlight the carefully selected furnishings and soft neutral palette. The seating arrangement showcases the essence of transitional style. Contemporary sofas with streamlined silhouettes are paired with elegant accent chairs that feature subtle traditional details, creating a balanced and comfortable atmosphere. A sophisticated area rug anchors the room while layered textures add depth and warmth. The overall design feels curated yet relaxed, proving that luxury doesn't have to feel formal or overwhelming. One of the defining characteristics of this apartment is its refined color palette. Soft shades of ivory, beige, taupe, and warm gray establish a calm and welcoming foundation throughout the home. Natural materials play an important role in creating visual interest. Rich wood finishes, polished stone surfaces, brushed metals, and luxurious fabrics work together to provide a sense of depth and timeless beauty. The careful combination of these materials creates an elegant balance between old and new. Nothing feels too trendy or too traditional, allowing the design to remain relevant and beautiful for years to come. The furniture selections demonstrate the true artistry of transitional design. Classic forms are updated with cleaner lines and modern proportions, resulting in pieces that feel sophisticated without appearing dated. A beautifully tailored sofa, elegant coffee table, and thoughtfully chosen accent pieces create a cohesive visual story. Each item contributes to the overall aesthetic while maintaining functionality and comfort. The emphasis on quality craftsmanship is evident throughout the apartment. Every piece feels intentional, reinforcing the luxurious atmosphere while ensuring the space remains practical for everyday living. The kitchen seamlessly blends style and practicality. Sleek cabinetry is paired with timeless design elements, creating a space that feels contemporary yet enduring. Beautiful stone countertops provide both durability and elegance, while carefully selected hardware introduces subtle sophistication. The clean lines of the cabinetry help maintain a fresh and uncluttered appearance. Integrated appliances and thoughtful storage solutions ensure maximum functionality without compromising aesthetics. This kitchen exemplifies how transitional design can elevate everyday routines through beauty and efficiency. Moving into the bedroom, we discover a serene retreat designed for relaxation and comfort. Soft textiles, layered bedding, and a calming color palette create an atmosphere of tranquility and refinement. The furnishings maintain the apartment's transitional theme, combining classic elegance with modern simplicity. Upholstered headboards, graceful nightstands, and carefully selected lighting fixtures contribute to the room's sophisticated character. Thoughtful styling enhances the sense of luxury without introducing unnecessary clutter. Every detail feels purposeful, allowing the bedroom to serve as a peaceful sanctuary from the demands of daily life. Accessories and decorative accents play a vital role in bringing personality to the apartment. Carefully curated artwork, sculptural objects, and elegant vases add visual interest while maintaining a refined aesthetic. Layered lighting contributes warmth and ambience throughout the home. Statement pendants, table lamps, and subtle accent lighting work together to highlight architectural features and create inviting mood. The beauty of transitional design lies in its restraint. Rather than overwhelming the space with decorations, the focus remains on quality, balance, and thoughtful composition, resulting in a truly timeless environment. This transitional apartment beautifully demonstrates how classic and contemporary influences can coexist in perfect harmony. Through careful design choices, the home achieves a sense of effortless elegance that feels both luxurious and welcoming. From the sophisticated living spaces to the serene bedroom retreat, every area reflects a commitment to comfort, functionality, and enduring style. It's a wonderful example of how transitional design continues to captivate homeowners and designers alike. Thank you so much for joining us on today's tour. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to Cozy Space Living, give us a like, and leave a comment below sharing your favorite feature of this beautiful apartment. We'll see you in the next inspiring home design journey.